Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel again, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can easily sell the Pi tokens available or you have earned the Pi coupons or Pi coins just on your Pi application. To sell Pi coins on exchanges as per Pi network transition is to its mind phase, you will be able to sell Pi coin on cryptocurrency exchanges. Firstly, create an account or an exchange. Choose a reputed exchange that support Pcoin or Picoin. Then second step is transfer your Picoin to your exchange wallet. Use the Pi Network app to transfer your coins to the exchange wallet. Ensure you follow all the security protocols to avoid any losses. Now decide the amount of Picoin you want to sell and place an order on the exchange button. You can choose between a market order or a limit order for you. These both are the choice if you want to sell it. Now, once your sell order is fulfilled, you receive the corresponding amount on your exchange wallet. Then you can transfer to the bank. Thank you so much for watching it.